My father and my brother plot against me. They think a girl does not deserve to rule. Now for me it's much preferred to never ever trust a word. And after all they only took me for a fool. Come on, they weren't all that impressed with my potential. They never would have given me a chance. But they lied and carried on. Till he died they played along. In death he gave me nothing but a glance. Oh, curse my poor unfortunate souls. My reign, my rules, banished deep into the darkness and transformed into a beast with my shell and my voice. My poor unfortunate souls. It's sad but true. If I want to take the crown out of this pit, I've gotta crawl. Take a gulp and take a breath and go ahead and stand up tall.
Pull yourself together, Ursula.
I will retake it, my poor unfortunate
Hit her up, prepared for war. In the shadows where we lie, no mercy, no goodbyes. Ready for the comeback, mercy will return. We're prepared for war. Feel the darkness rise, hear the lion roar. Evil smiles as we implore against demon angels fighting forevermore. Relentless and wise, we're ready for war. We're ready for war. We're ready for war. Relentless and wise, we're ready for war. Whispers in the wake of day, fueling not terror but feeding justice, marching on the angel's light. In the chasm we steer, we're ready for war. Feel the light rise, hear the sinister roar. Good souls as we implore. Demon angels fighting relentless and wise, we're ready for war. Chaos brews beneath our feet. In this madness we'll bring the light back. Echoes of the lives we tore as we're prepared for war. In the fires of wrath we soar, good hearts conspire. Bound by the light, destined Lord, feel the chill down to the core. Honor the gods, we're ready for war. Feel the darkness rise, hear the light roar. Evil smiles as we implore against demon angels fighting forevermore. Relentless and wise, we're ready for war.
All right, everyone, we have to bring back our city to its rightful glory, which means that it's time for war.
As we all prepare, feel the darkness rise, hear the light roar. Evil as we all know. Demon angels fighting relentless and wise, we're ready for war. We're ready for war.
Hey, wake up. It's okay. Whoa, it's okay. It's me.
Don't ever do that again.
Have you guys seen?
I thought he was with you.
He was, but now I can't find him. Where is he?
You won't find him here. The king has returned.
I can't believe it. He's gone back.
Gone back?
What do you mean?
Hey, what's going on here? Who's the monkey?
Simba's gone back to challenge Scar.
Oh?
Scar.
Who's got a scar?
No. It's his uncle.
The monkey's his uncle? Oh.
Simba, wait up. It's awful, isn't it? What made you come back? I will.
Danger? Ha! I laugh in the face of danger. Ha 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 ha!
I see nothing funny about this.
At your service, my liege.
We're gonna fight your uncle for this? Talk about your fixer-upper.
Well, Simba, if it's important to you, we're with you to the end.
Hyenas. So what's your plan for getting past those guys?
Live bait.
Good idea.
Hey, come on, you guys have to create a diversion. What do you want me to do, dress and drag and do the hula?
Eat my buddy Pumper here because he has a treat. Coming down a dime.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Ah, you ain't good.
Yup, yup, yup. Oh, some bacon. Yup, yup, yup.
He's a big pig.
Yup, yup.
You can be a big pig too.
I love the smell of Pumbaa in the morning. Hey, move your tush, honey. Ma? Uncle Max? Oh, Timmy!
Team!
What are you doing here? Looking for you. Aw, Mommy's here.
Sun goes down, and we are here together. Fireflies glow like 1,000 charms. Stay with me, and you can dream forever, right here in my arms tonight. Someday, fade away, stars begin to climb. Melodies fill the breeze, sweeter all the time. Stars down, together, so we sing like a nasal charms. Stay with me, right here in my arms tonight.
I can't believe it!
It's been so long since you took off and left us for no reason. You didn't even send a postcard.
Look, there's Simba, and that must be his Uncle Scar.
Oh, good. They're talking things out, which is how it should be. You know, I have a feeling everything's gonna be just fine.
On the other hand, the hyenas are up there protecting Scar. What do we do?
How can we help? Ma, Uncle Max, you're gonna dig a trap. We're gonna need, dare I say it, tunnels! Lots and lots of tunnels. And Pumbaa, you and me, we've gotta get those hyenas away from Simba. Oh, nothing gets past you! Come on, Pumbaa, let's ride! You know, something's different about...
You think?
He's wearing a dress!
We got a boat to catch.
I've never felt so alive!
Good! Because I'm gonna kill you!
No time for that now, Missy.
Oh my, isn't this splendid? Now we can have the meerkat as an appetizer. And for the main course, we can have a pig.
Uh-oh. You called him a pig?
Are you talking about me? Are you talking about me?
Now you're in for it.
The battle will begin in 30 seconds.